Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte graphic card driver. So first you have to come this site www.gigabyte.com, this official website. After that click on search and then enter the model number of your graphic card, GeForce RTX 4080 16G AERO OC, and then click on product. After that you can see this is your graphic card. Just click on it and then click on support, and then select your operating system Windows 10 and 11. So both operating system installations process same audio driver, and click to download. When you click to download, it will start downloading, and it will start downloading, you can see, and it will take some time, 4 to 5 minutes, and it will complete it. Then click on three dot and click, after that click on download. Now you can see it is completed. So this is completed. Then open this file, show in file folder. So where it is downloading, it will open it. You can see this is your driver. Just right click and run as administrator. And if you are using Windows 10, so like this, run as administrator. You can see NVIDIA package launcher and click to yes. Then click on OK. After that you can see this is extract drivers to your system for the installation. Please wait the file save to your computer, and when complete, driver installations will start. After that you can see, okay, now you're checking the connectivity, and then next to install, next, and then restart your system. You can see this is icon, next, license options, and here to step finished, and after that also completed driver, then restart your system.